Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of marketing and discuss how to understand and succeed from zero in 2025. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic opportunity in 2025, and it's all about creating a win-win situation for both the seller and the buyer. As an affiliate marketer, you'll be promoting products or services on behalf of a company, earning a commission for every sale you make. But how do you get started with affiliate marketing from scratch? Well, let's break it down step by step. First and foremost, you need to find a niche that you're passionate about. This could be anything from fitness to fashion to technology. Once you've found your niche, it's time to create a website or blog. This will be your platform for promoting products and building your brand. Next, you'll need to drive traffic to your website. This could involve creating engaging content, using social media, or even running paid ads. The key is to attract potential customers to your site. Once you have their attention, it's time to make your pitch. You'll be promoting products or services that you believe in, and if a customer makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a commission. And that's it. With a little effort and dedication, you can start your affiliate marketing journey from scratch and potentially earn a full-time income. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of affiliate marketing and start building your own success story. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until next time, happy marketing!